it downtown to the BP. I call it Club BP. Normally where all the bikes hang out at, right across from the varsity. I'm gonna go down there and see what's going on today. Trying to check out this new little setup I got. Make sure the mic sound good. Make sure the picture look good. I'm on this 2017 Jitsa 750. Toast exhaust, full system. ECU flash by Toast. To me, I think it sounds pretty good. Some people say I lose a couple of horsepower, but shit, I can't tell. Motherfucker, get up and go to me. So if I lost a couple, I can't goddamn tell, homie. But I'll get back at you folk when we get down here to the BP.